and I'm very impressed by the performance of your battalion, your ROTC, your graduates here in Iloilo. It is a manifestation of commitment and service to our country. And with that, I not only commend you, but encourage you to further do more in the service of our country. Alam ko, madami sa inyo dito are volunteers. And that alone, being a volunteer, says a lot. You give your time and effort to serve your country. So being reservist, I ask 3 things from you. Okay? Dapat you are prepared. Palaging handa. Study your missions well, your assignments, your duties and responsibilities. Study them well. Because you are part of the basic expansion of the Armed Forces of the Philippines in any invasion, war, or rebellion. So magagampanan natin yung trabaho na yan if we are prepared. For one, prepared. Number 2, you must be resilient. Okay? Kailangan natin isipin na hindi nasa atin lahat. Meron din tayong pagkukulang. Our government has other priorities. Rather giving us firearms or giving us more equipment. But we have a mission. So we must be resilient. When I come to the next thing I require from you is endurance. Kaya niyo maging matatag, no? Pamatagalan. Diba? Kasi di natin alam how long we wait or how long is needed of us. Diba? Yung tatlo na yan ang importante. Bakit ko ba nasabi yung tatlo na yan? Dito sa Panay Island, dito ang 61st Division USAPE. Alam yan? Reserve yun.